If your website is loading slow, potentially you are losing conversions of your website. And think about your own behavior. Whenever you go on a website, either from your phone or from desktop, if you go on a site, even if it loads a few seconds slow, you will click on refresh, or you might leave the site thinking that it's not loading. So these days, it's super critical to make sure from a user experience point of view, your website loads as fast as possible, especially from this little mobile device. Very often when you're surfing from this little device, it's not connected to Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure on mobile device, it's loading as fast as possible. So let's take a look. How can you test how fast is a website loading? There's a nifty tool from Google. There's many different tools out there, but just to keep it simple for now, the easiest way to check out how fast your website is loading is just Google Pagespeed Insights and click on this nifty tool here. And all you have to do is to enter in your domain name in here. And it's randomly picking a site, and it will start analyzing how fast is the website loading. So this is what you will see once it finished analyzing the site. And it splits between mobile and desktop. Again, this tool is actually coming from Google, so it's pretty accurate most of the time. So this site, as you can see on mobile, it's loading extremely slow. Very, very slow. On desktop, it is loading, right, mediocre. So it gave it a grade of 72. Ideally, you want to be shooting for as fast as possible. So with this site, Google gives some recommendations as to how to speed up the site. And you just have to work with your developer on speeding up the site. But what I would recommend you do is to Google Pagespeed Insights and enter in your domain name, and just to figure out on both mobile and desktop where it is, right? Is it in the red? Is it in the orange? Is it in the green? And obviously you gotta work with your web developer to aim for the highest possible score. And the faster the website loads, the better user experience and higher the conversions.